To keep a hotel clean and hygienic, various equipment and supplies are used. This cannot be done without using proper equipment. In hotel, housekeeping staff uses wide range of cleaning equipment to keep the hotel premises to the highest standard of appearance. Also, only having the equipment will not do any good. You should have knowledge on how to operate these equipment. Choosing the most suitable equipment for the specific area is also important. So in this video, we will cover various types of equipment used in housekeeping. Note, I have made detailed dedicated videos on each equipment, their types, care and storage, etc. You can check the I button above in between, and I also leave the link in the description below. Now coming to the types of housekeeping equipment, we can divide housekeeping equipment in two broader categories. One is manual equipment and second is mechanical equipment. Manual equipment are those which require employees' hand and physical energy to maneuver, operate or manipulate these equipment. While mechanical equipment are those which have motorized part and or is powered by a motor which mostly runs on electricity or battery, but some may also be found running on diesel. Now first let's talk about manual equipment. In this category, we have brushes. Brushes are used to remove dry, wet or ingrained dust and dirt from different types of surfaces. Choosing a right brush according to the area and surface make our work easy. Brooms, that we also call jhadu in Hindi. Based on the stiffness of bristles, we have soft brooms and hard brooms. Soft brooms are used to sweep the floor perfectly to remove even fine dust and hair. Now talking about hard brooms, these are used on rough surfaces, especially outdoor surfaces with cracks and crevices. This is also useful in cleaning rough ground and stiff sweeping jobs like garden leaves, cleaning between stones, etc. The best part is that you can clean both dry and wet surface with hard brooms. Next we have mops. These are further classified into two categories, dry mops and wet mops. Dry mops are used to pick up dry and loose dirt such as soil, sand, dust, usually from the hard smooth surfaces. On the other hand, wet mopping involves cleaning of a floor using a slightly moistened mop. This moistened mop is called wet mop. For moistening the mop, wet mops are used in conjunction with a bucket full of water or a cleaning solution. For best result, first use dry mop and then wet mop. Using dry mop first will make wet mopping easier and ensure a cleaner floor. It also increases the life of wet mops. Next we have cloth. Housekeeping staff uses various types of cloths for wet and dry cleaning. We use different types of cloths for different types of surfaces, such as for dusting and buffing we use dusters, for floor cleaning floor cloth, windows and mirror cleaning with chamois leather or chamois leather or scrim cloth. For more detail, check I button above. Containers, carts and trolleys. These are used to carry, transport, collect and store supplies and other small items such as hand caddy, janitor's trolley, mop wringer trolley, maid's cart, linen trolley, etc. Sundry equipment. These are miscellaneous pieces of equipment that are used occasionally or for some specific purpose. For example, different kind of protective equipment such as hand gloves, eye glasses, face mask, helmet, gumboot, caution board, etc. In sundry equipment, we also include ladder, abrasive pads, chalk pump or remover to clear the blockage in drain pipes and airing racks, etc. In the end, we have box sweeper. It is used for sweeping up dust and litter from soft floor covering as well as rugs and carpets. It consists of metal box equipped with rotating brushes. This box is attached with a long handle. When we push it with that handle, its brushes start rotating to sweep up dirt and dust, which is trapped in this box. Hence, it's also called push sweeper. Nowadays, we also have box sweeper for outdoor hard surfaces with more than one rotating brushes. We also have mechanical or battery operated box sweeper such as ride-on sweeper. Even many municipal corporations have large sweeping trucks which kind of work on the same principle of box sweeper. These are called power sweepers. These are mostly diesel operated and also referred as street sweeper. These are included into mechanical equipment as they have motor and need some energy source such as electricity, battery and sometimes with diesel. Which brings us to our second category of mechanical equipment. Mechanical equipment have some motorized part or is powered by a motor with electricity, battery and some are also operated through diesel. In this category, we have vacuum cleaner. Vacuum cleaner works on the principle of suction which is created by suction motor inside. It is used to remove dust, small debris and some vacuum also pick up water from the surface by suction. For more detail on types of vacuum cleaner, check the I button above. Next we have scrubbing or polishing machine. These are actually multifunctional machines which can be used for scrubbing, polishing and buffing of the floor. We have different attachments option of brushes and pads accordingly. As it is multifunctional machine, so also known as floor maintenance machine. When simply scrubbing is not enough, means there is a thick layer of grease, mud or wet sawdust, you can go for scarifying machine. In this we use wire brush cutting tool which removes this upper layer by chisel like action. You can also use it to remove upper layer or removing waxing from the floor. Either you can buy a specialized scarifying machine or in market we also have more powerful single disc machines which can be used for scarifying with appropriate attachment. Carpet shampooing machine. As the name suggests, these are used for the deep cleaning of carpet that are heavily soiled. These can also be used on upholstery just by changing the carpet wand with upholstery tool. Now for more deeply embedded soil trapped in carpet shampooing machine suction is not sufficient. So we need more powerful machine. For that we can purchase injection extraction machine or wet extraction machine. High pressure washer. These type of washer you must have seen in car washing area. Water is shot through a gun with very high pressure. You can control the pressure and widen the water spray. With this water pressure, you can clean concrete surface, brick patios, walkways, driveways, deck areas and even exterior walls. But don't point it toward anything living such as humans, animals and even plants. Most of the above said mechanical equipment are of Karcher company. For more detail about this product, I will leave a link in the description below. In the end, we have power sweeper. It's a kind of mechanical and bigger version of box sweeper that we have already covered in manual equipment. These are designed to remove loose soil, dust, debris from floor, pavement, car parking and large areas. Well guys, that's all for housekeeping equipment. For more detail about these equipment, you can check playlist of housekeeping equipment. I hope you like this series. For any doubt or suggestion, comment down below. You can also follow us on social media platform for such knowledge. Stay tuned on Hospitality Broadcast.